Okay, this is a marble run. So what we do, we put here a little marble, right? Then we open this door, and this little marble starts traveling down. I hope it will work out. Yeah. At the end of the day, it stops here. Okay, let's try one more time. So that's a marble. We put it here. 1, 2, 3. Then it travels. And finish here. Evidently, at the end of its travel, marble stops due to friction. Here comes the question. How much work did the friction force do on the marble when the marble moved from the beginning of the line till the end of the line?